What if I told you there's a secret place online where you can use GPT-5, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Grok 4, generate images with models like Banana, and even create videos with tech that rivals Veo 3, all for free, all unlimited, and all 100% legally? It sounds like pure clickbait, but I promise you it's not. After weeks of research, I've found the back door to the world of AI, and in this video, I'm giving you the key. The AI world is exploding. There are dozens of new models, all promising to be the next big thing, and all of them are getting more expensive. With different subscriptions and credit packs, it's confusing, and you're always afraid of paying for a tool that just isn't worth it. But relax, I have found the definitive method to get free access to the latest, most powerful AI models on the market. This is the secret that will put you light years ahead of your competition. And the best part, it's 100% legal and safe. No weird tricks, nothing that will get you banned. And I'm not just giving you the key. Stick with me to the very end of this video, and I'll show you a complete step-by-step workflow to combine these tools and start creating viral content that can actually become a source of income. All right, let's unlock God mode. The platform is called LMSys Chatbot Arena, and the reason it's free is pure genius. It's a research project where the biggest AI companies in the world anonymously pit their models against each other. Our job as users
is to test them and vote on which one is better. Our votes are their payment. That's why they give us unlimited access to the best AI models in existence. When you sign up, you'll see a few options, but the one you want is direct chat. This is your control panel. This is where you can choose exactly which AI titan you want to command. And the list is absolutely insane. You have everything. But let's see what they can really do. I'm going to select the model for GPT-5 and ask it a simple question. You are a genius business consultant. Give me 5 unconventional, high-leverage business ideas I could start tomorrow with less than $100. I hit send, it connects to the model, and look at this. It's generating a list of genuinely creative, actionable ideas. People are going to be paying a fortune for this model, and we're using it for free. Let's try another one. I'll switch to Gemini 2.5 Pro, Google's most powerful model, and give it a productivity task. You are the world's best productivity coach. Here is my chaotic weekly schedule. Reorganize it. Tell me what to delegate or drop, and create a new optimized schedule that gives me back at least 5 hours of free time. A few moments later, it's completely restructured my week. This is a real, valuable output that would normally cost a subscription. This is the basic use, but this is where most people stop, and they are missing out on the best parts. The Arena has a hidden toolbox that we are about to open up. If you look closely, you'll see an option for web search. Let's turn that on. The list of models changes to those with live internet access. I'll pick Grok and ask it, what are the top 3 most important AI breakthroughs of the last 30 days? It will now search the web in real time and give me a summarized, up-to-the-minute report with sources. Incredible for research. But it gets better. If we turn web search off and click the Upload Image icon, the model list changes again. Now we have access to the world's best image generation models. I'll select Banana, known for its insane realism, and prompt it, photorealistic image of an astronaut discovering a glowing alien artifact on Mars, cinematic lighting. And there it is, a perfect, high-quality image. But it's not just generation, it's editing. I can upload a photo of a modern living room, select a model like OpenAI's GPT Image 1, and prompt it, using this image as a reference, change the season outside the window from summer to a cozy, snowy winter. And just like that, it understands the context and edits the image flawlessly. And it gets even crazier. There's a hidden tab called Build Apps. Yes, you can literally generate code for simple applications.
I'll ask it to create a simple web app that functions as a daily habit tracker. It will pit two models against each other, and in a few seconds, I get two different sets of fully functional code to build my app. But I've saved the biggest secret for last, the one you've been waiting for: AI video generation. To access this, you have to go to their Discord server. Once you're in, you'll find channels called Video Arena. Here, you just type the command /video and write your prompt. I'll type a cinematic, slow-motion shot of a wolf howling at a futuristic cyberpunk moon. It uses a battle mode, so it generates two videos from two different high-end models, and you vote on the winner. The quality is incredible, and while there's a daily limit, you can simply use another Discord account if you need more. Okay, we've explored all the hidden tools. Now for the most important part I promised at the beginning. I'm going to give you the exact method you can follow to start making money with this. We're going to build a viral 60-second short for platforms like YouTube and TikTok from scratch. These types of AI story videos are getting millions of views right now, and this workflow is your ticket to creating them at scale for free. This is how you can start building a real source of income with AI.
Let's build it. First, the idea. I'll use GPT-5 with web search to research 5 fascinating, little-known facts about the lost city of Atlantis and write a mysterious, epic 60-second script for a YouTube short. Next, the visuals. I'll take the key scenes from that script and feed them as prompts to Lmarena to generate our images. A shot of a brilliant underwater city, one of ancient Atlantean artifacts, and so on. Now we bring them to life. We take those incredible images over to the Discord Video Arena and use a simple command to turn each one into a short, cinematic, animated video clip. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, we've gone from a simple idea to a fully researched script with high-quality images and animated video clips ready to be edited into a YouTube short. All created from start to finish inside this free ecosystem. My goal with this video was to save you time and money, and this platform gives you a complete arsenal to do exactly that. You have unlimited access to the world's best text models, powerful image generators, an app builder, and even a secret way to generate high-quality AI video. I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching.